In the darkest heart of the Amazon jungle, where no human has ever walked, two of the most powerful armies on Earth.
On one side, Tude, the fire ants, masters of the jungle floor, builders of empires, feared by every creature that crawls.
But unknown to the army general, unknown to everyone, something precious escaped. One egg, the most important egg in the world.
But one small worker ant makes a silent decision that will change everything. She saves one egg, the most precious one.
And then Nichhy, the jungle scream!
They move like a single organism, like a river of darkness flooding through the jungle. Nothing in their path will survive.
The creek that the fire ants believed would slow them means nothing, because army ants don't cross bridges. They become the bridge. The trap works. For 4 glorious seconds, the fire ants believe they can win this.
But on the other side of the creek, something ancient stirs. The army ants. They do not build. They do not settle. They only destroy.
We have won! The war is over! He is wrong!
One click. That is all it takes. 1 million soldiers receive the order simultaneously. And the march begins.
4 seconds. That is how long their greatest defense lasts. The army general doesn't even blink.
Their general has led 1,000 raids, toppled 100 colonies. He has never lost.
They find the chamber empty. But they are not disappointed, because the queen's scent is still warm.
This is no ordinary egg. This egg was the queen's most treasured, her firstborn, her successor, the next. Fire Queen.
The brave guard buys 40 seconds. It may not be enough. They ignore everything. The food, the eggs. They want only one thing, the queen. These are not ordinary soldiers. These are the army general's personal raiders. They have done this 100 times before. The jungle itself seems to be against them. The escape route, Fote, blocked.
Their colony Tom, a masterpiece of nature. 1 million strong. Every ant with a purpose. Every ant ready to die for their queen.
The alarm spreads at the speed of scent. In 3 seconds, every soldier in the colony knows the enemy is coming.
The fire general falls, not because he was weak, but because one ant, no matter how great, cannot hold back a flood.
The Fire Lizard General has prepared for war his entire life. Every tunnel trap,
The queen feels every blow her colony takes, every soldier that falls above.
And at the heart of it all, Nerd, the Queen. The mother of millions. The soul of the colony.
The Queen is told, and in that moment, she makes a decision that will change everything. She will not run. She will fight.
one brave guard. Against 20 elite raiders, he knows he cannot win, but he doesn't need to.
The tunnel opens, but it is 1 second too late.
One by one, the bravest soldiers the fire colony ever produced fall for their queen.
It's over! Stand down!
It's okay. I release you.
She tries to take them. She cannot leave her children. But the guard knows, if she stays, all of them die.
And in the silence of her prison, the Fire Queen makes a promise. Not out loud. Not to anyone.
30 seconds. That is all that separates the Queen from capture. 30 seconds! And the guard digs like his Queen's life depends on it. Because it does.
No! No! It can't be! He has patrolled this jungle his entire life. He has never felt fear. Until now!
He has patrolled this jungle his entire life. He has never felt fear. Until now.
He runs faster than he has ever run. Because he knows every second he wastes is a second his colony doesn't have. The fire soldiers fight with everything they have. Every mandible, every drop of venom. But numbers are a language all their own.
She does not know yet what happened to her mother.
She does not know yet what she has lost. But somewhere deep...
2 generals, 2 armies, 2 fates, and in this single moment, both of them know. Only one will walk away from this jungle. The fire soldiers watch in silence. Because what they are seeing is not just an army. It is a force of nature. The surface belongs to chaos. But deep underground, the real battle for the fire colony is just beginning.
While the fire ants watch the front door, the army ants are already at the back.
Her royal guard, the finest warriors in the colony, each one chosen for one purpose, to give their life so the queen may live. The fire general knows the surface is lost, but if he falls here, the army ants reach the queen, so he does not fall.
Surrounded, alone, the queen of the fire colony faces the end of everything she has ever known.
The fire colony is silent. The battle is over. But her guards charge. They know they cannot win. They charge anyway.
The last guard, against the best warrior the army colony has ever produced. This is what courage looks like.
She does not bow. She does not beg. She walks to her capture with the dignity of a queen.
She walks through everything she built, everything she loved, everything she is losing, and she does not look away.
You are conquered, Queen of Fire. But as I look at you, something gives me pause.
2 rulers, standing in the ruins of one empire, and in this silence passes between.
The survivors watch from the shadows, and in every heart call, grief turns slowly into something else. The Queen is imprisoned in her own home. The colony that was hers is now her cage. Hope remains, General.
We have a plan.
A plan? The Queen?
Because in a hidden hollow, deep in the jungle, far from the ruins of a fallen empire, something stirs.
A new queen. Born in secret. Born in hiding.
They took her colony. They took her throne. They took her freedom. But they left behind